So basically, guys, it was good. It's like the aftermath of like the big snowstorm we had. You know, everything's closed, schools closes, and you know the roads are just like terrible. All of it's like slush, bro. But honestly, I shoveled for like 3 hours yesterday and 2 hours, 3 hours today, bro. It was bad because my property is like really big, so it's like ugh. Plus, I try to get as much as I can because you don't want this like turning into ice. So I try to get as much as I can, but mainly the main roads are good. It's like slushy as hell, and the side roads are like questionable, like really bad. So I gotta avoid like hills and all that for honestly. But we good, bro, for the most part. My gen feels good, bro, actually driving. You get what you pay for, honestly. Like I had Michelin tires for winter for ice and snow, so that helped out. And I mainly got these tires because of I had an F80 too, and I had performance rims, aftermarket rims on that, so I basically took that off and put them on well, actually my F82 got totaled, so I always kept them winter rims when I switched over to the summer setup. So at least it like helped out, you know. But although it's been good, honestly, it's not bad. I drive in the snow, so like, and it's worse, so like this is like nothing to me. As long as I'm not being stupid, like pushing a car like stupidly, I should be good for the most part. But this is just good, bro. I'm about to go to Newark. We're gonna see how that is. And hopefully Newark streets are done. They should be, because it's basically a straight drive to Newark Penn Station. So we're gonna see how it is. But right now it's gonna be traffic. There's always traffic going down this road, bro. Always. Like, it never like fails, bro. It's crazy. The main question is, I want to see how my car like reacts like when it's icy, when it gets ice, because I do have a front lip and my car is low, and I want to see how it is. And today is probably like the best time you could go out and make some money, bro, too. Shoveling. Bro, I ain't shoveling people's property, bro. Like, honestly, bro, I feel like unless you're like a city citizen or elderly, bro, I feel like you should be shoveling like your own property, bro. Like, it's not that hard, honestly. It may take you like a few hours to do, but it's worth it. Plus you get a free workout, so yeah. Because, bro, my property is so big, bro, that like it's crazy, bro. Like, it's really, really crazy. So but hey, that's like what you gotta do when you have a house, bro. People who live in like apartments, they got it easy, bro. I don't know, bro. Brother, what are you doing, bro? You turning? But you know, people who live in like apartments, they got it good. Because they don't got a shovel. But homeowners, bro, I feel like you should shovel. I feel like it should shovel. But other than that, can't wait for springtime, bro. For all this to be gone, bro. This summer, this winter, snow, bro, like this coldness. I cannot wait till like springtime, bro. I cannot wait. I'll put the summer rims back on, bro. It's gonna be, get a paint correction. And yeah. Come on, bro. That job slow as hell, bro. Like, I got wheel drive. See, bro, like, my car is not a garage queen. It doesn't sit in the garage all the time, bro. I actually, like, drive my car. Like, I'm not afraid to drive in, like, all weather. Well, I am afraid to drive in the rain, but I hate rain. But other than that, bro, just drive your car. Like, if you plan on keeping it for a long time, bro, you might as well just drive it, bro. It's not, bro, life is short, brother. Like, there's no point in keeping your car in the garage sitting there, unless you like want to keep it low mileage, then trade in. But other than that, bro, it's not. These cars last up to like damn near 200k miles. So plus that, if you just do your maintenance, you should be good, bro. Like, my car is well taken care of. Like, I have like the best mechanic in New Jersey, and it's always good to do your maintenance on your car. Because if you don't do your maintenance, GG's, boy. Because this car, like, you gotta do your maintenance, bro. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You know, some people be like, oh, I want to buy FAX from New Jersey, New York, or Connecticut. Shoot, I wouldn't too, because some people don't do their maintenance, bro. Like, my first F82, that's a different story, bro. My F82 was from Canada. Like, that jet was from Canada, bro. I had a Canada car. That's crazy. Only thing was wrong was it had a cracked bushings and something else. What was something else? Oh, and there was like a leak with the oh shit, with the oil pan. Other than that was it. Then my second one, F80. Oh, come on, bro. My second F80, my FAX. It was the what was it? It was something. What was wrong with this car? Honestly, the only thing wrong with this car was like the brake pads, like the rotors. It needed rotors and new brake pads. That was it. That's the only thing I was wrong with this car. Other than that, bro, it's been good. Like, I make sure that I get all the maintenance taken care of. Man, this is gonna take a while. Hold on, guys. Alright, y'all, so we back. We got open road. Let's try it. Let me see how it is. Damn. Bro, this dude has something on his car, he just flew off. Nah, bro, this bridge right here, yo, for some reason, I always lose traction. I don't know why, bro, but I just do. So I'm like, ugh. I hate going across this. Like that sunset. As we're getting closer to like daylight savings soon. Freaking getting dark at like freaking 4:30. Hopefully. Oh, what we got right here? M2. What's a competition? Yes, sir. There's an old dude driving it too. I got an old dude whipping that joint. Bro, the M2s, bro, them jeans are, whew, those just are good. Where it's not A1 on, put on for the M2s. I tell you, Go, come on, bro. Y'all can't be in this lane and pull off slow. I gotta go through Newark, bro. Newark got streets is terrible. At least it's a straight drive. Newark streets. Let me see. 10 minutes. Why is right in this one lane? I'm trying to figure out why. Why they turning? Oh my. Bro, this road is ass, bro. Raymond Boulevard, bro. Is this in the road, bro? Oh my gosh. You run over that. Jeez, boy. You see, it's just slushy. Roads are like really slushy, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know. Raymond Boulevard, bro. I don't know. We out. See, if I push it, the gas, OD, it's gonna slide. But if I just gradually like go into it, it's good. I'm trying to remember where the poles are in this one. Damn, bro. That's right. Oh my. Damn, bro. See, we about to be in Newark, bro, already. be back. Bro, I'm not trying to get in this lane. It's like something. Oh, actually, oh, this lane ends. Oh, shoot. We here in Newark, bro. I gotta pick someone up from North Penn Station, so they know it's a quick drive. Y'all see how the road is, bro. I just want to thank y'all for all the support, all the subscribers. With the last video I had, you know, it was beautiful, it was amazing. All glory goes to God. Jesus Christ is the one and only Lord and Savior. You know, everything goes to Him. You know, He gets all the praise, He gets all the everything, though. Because without Him, I'm nothing. So I just want to thank all y'all. Thank every single one of y'all, because without y'all, yo, it's like, you know, thank you so much for all. Out here I'm arrived at North Penn Station. Good drive. So I just want to say thank y'all for all y'all do. Thank you so much. Damn, I'm trying to figure out what the pothole at. Oh, we good. Damn, bro. I remember I used to take the train to school when I was in college. I used to take the train like every day, bro. Like, I didn't get home till like nighttime, bro. I used to take it early in the morning, and I didn't get home till like night, bro. Like, it was crazy. It's crazy. So I'm gonna catch y'all. I just want to say thank y'all for all y'all do. Stay safe out here, yo. Peace and love. Thank you.